So today we're handing over one of our vehicles, Ford Ranger, and the Ford Ranger has an aftermarket service body on it, and in that we've got the ability to be able to move a client's powered wheelchair, the manual wheelchair, a sit ski and a blow cart. Basically it's just going to give her a freedom back to her lifestyle originally before incident, and the freedom to be able to do whatever she wants, whenever she wants, pretty much do everything herself, which I think she's really looking forward to.
I'm Cecilia Dalrymple from Bulls in the North Island. It's going to open up a whole new world to me, it really is. It means with the Omeo wheelchair and being able to transport it around, I can go to town and whiz around the shops, no effort, don't have to push myself. I can also go up the mountain. I've got, as well as the Omeo and my folding chair, I have a sit ski loaded in here, and I can do everything myself without assistance because everything's now automated. And I live 10 minutes from the beach. I've never been able to go to the beach, so I can't wait to get home and celebrate with a trip to the beach. Glenn and the team, they're just so clever, what they've come up with, all the inventions, the detail of everything, and they make it look nice too. It's just been a real pleasure.